Okay, this is my first Raspberry Pi build, Raspberry Pi 4B. Basically, it's pretty much Super Pi. It's a Raspberry Pi on steroids. That was the intention when I set out along this path. What it is it's a standard Raspberry Pi 4B with 8 gigabits of RAM, which is a little bit of 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is a little bit unusual. And it's got what would you call it? Board, control board, so that I can boot from mSATA. The board is actually internal. It's a control board, as I said, and it's linked through a WSB dongle on the back. Which is a little bit unusual. But I've also got another board connected to it, which gives me lots of other options for I/O and out, etc. But and the objective of this, the Raspberry Pi build, was I'm making a dedicated Home Assistant server for automating my home. But the reason I'm posting this video and I want to ask is the power button works. It actually does work when to turn it on. That's what, as far as I understand, the button does work to turn it on, so that's fine. But what doesn't work is if I press the button to turn it off again. Well, as you'll see, press the button to turn it off again, and nothing happens. So I'm a little bit confused about that. When the kit, when the other items came with the kit for this particular build, it did come with some jumper caps. But it didn't specify anywhere where to use these jumper caps. And I think possibly to enable normal on-off function where this will close down gracefully or go to sleep or something like this. You probably have to, I don't know, use these jumper caps that came with the kit. But I'm not entirely sure which. So if anyone can give any advice, that'd be very welcome. Cheers, thanks.